Life is not a to-do list. Life is a gift. Somewhere along the way, we started believing that our productivity defines our worth, caught in a cycle of stress and survival. But humans were never designed for constant output. We are not a machine. We are souls that need connection, laughter, and space to just be. Welcome, beautiful breathers. Today is an invitation to escape the noise of the world and rest in the gentle rhythm of your breath, allowing it to guide you home to the safety within yourself. We perform 3 rounds of coherent breathing, inhaling through the nose for 5 seconds and exhaling out of the nose for 5 seconds. You can also perform Ujjayi breaths if you'd like. Feel free to lay down on your back or find a comfortable seated position. And let's begin. Once you feel settled, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and an easy breath out. Relax the face muscles. Unclench your jaw. Loosen up. As you come into this space, be present with how you're feeling in your body. Observe with kindness the areas that may be tense or open. Beautiful. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice how it moves in the body without trying to control it. When it feels right, deepen the breath. Inhale into the belly, then chest. Exhale, the body falls in toward the spine. Inhale, expand, open up. Exhale, let go. With every breath, we renew our systems with clarity, lightness, and fresh energy. Good. Now that we are deeply connected to the breath, let's follow the 5-5 count for 7 breaths. Exhale completely. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a full inhalation. Exhale, relax your breathing. Let it happen naturally. Feel your muscles soften as the nervous system returns to balance, rejuvenating each one of your cells. Beautiful. Let's begin the second round. Exhale completely, empty the lungs. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a full inhalation. Exhale, relax your breathing. Feel your energy recollaborating, your mind settling, your body realigning with the present. It is safe to slow down and be. Let's begin the final round of coherent breaths. Really connect with your intention, resisting the need to rush and allowing every breath to flow. Exhale completely. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take a full inhalation. Exhale, let go of any control of your breathing. Relax the face muscles. Reconnect to this presence within. Every sensation is your body telling you something. Listen. What do you need to remember about who you truly are? Let whatever arises be met with compassion. Beautiful. Breathe in. Breathe out. As you move through your day, bring this sense of ease and flow, knowing that you don't need to do more. You don't need to push through. You can honor your pace. Life is a gift. Let yourself receive it. trusting that who you are is enough. Breathe in. Breathe out. When you're ready, welcome movement into the fingers and toes. Rub the palms of your hands together, generating warmth and good energy. Place the palms over your eyes and gently massage the face muscles and the rest of your body with kindness. Place your hands together over to your heart. Bow down, offering gratitude for this gentle reset and for your body's wisdom to heal and support you whenever you need. May you be blessed with peace, love, and wisdom. Namaste. Thank you so much for being here. If this helped, I would greatly appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you soon.